Have you ever wondered how to turn the relentless advancement of artificial intelligence into a source of income? Could you imagine yourself as the curator of a treasure trove of cerebral challenges that intrigue and captivate? What if we told you that in the digital age, there exists a remarkable opportunity that not only challenges minds, but also turns your passion for AI into a thriving online business? In this age of technological marvels, where the line between reality and the virtual world blurs, could you be the one to cash in on the insatiable hunger for intellectual stimulation? But before we dive right in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Also, let us know in the comments which AI puzzle you'd be starting out with. Now, let's get right into it. Market research. First things first, you need to know your audience inside out. Who's the crowd that heads over heels for AI puzzles? Are we talking about students looking to ace their AI classes, professionals striving to stay sharp, or just hobbyists who find joy in solving mind-bending riddles? Once you've got a grip on your audience, it's time to play detective. Look around the web. What's already out there in the AI puzzle universe? What are your competitors up to? Take notes, gather intel, and figure out what's buzzing in the AI puzzle community. Now, here's where the magic happens. How are your puzzles different? Why should people pick your brain teasers over the others? What makes them unique, exciting, and utterly irresistible? Imagine your puzzles as stars in a dazzling galaxy of choices. You want yours to shine the brightest, right? That's where your creativity comes into play. Maybe it's mind-blowing complexity, stunning visuals, or an incredible learning experience that sets your puzzles apart. Create AI puzzles. Next, you should have a bunch of brain-teasing challenges that suit everyone from beginners to experts. You'll be crafting all sorts of cool puzzles like mind-bending logic games, tricky coding quests, mind-stretching machine learning missions, and even more fun surprises. But here's the twist. These puzzles aren't just any puzzles. They're designed to be super captivating, totally educational, and seriously mind-boggling. We're talking about puzzles that will have people totally absorbed, learning as they go, and feeling that exhilarating rush when they crack the code or solve the challenge. And guess what? The secret ingredient to your success in this puzzle-packed adventure is the quality of your creations. The better the puzzles, the more excited people will be to tackle them. It's like a recipe for winning hearts and minds through AI entertainment and education. Build a website. Imagine you are setting up a cozy shop to display your AI puzzles for the world to see. To do this, you need a special place on the internet, your very own website. Now, here's the fun part. You've got options. You can use friendly website builders like WordPress or Wix. They're like magic tools that make website making super easy. But if you want some extra pizzas, you can even invite a web wizard to help you out. But wait, there's more. Your website isn't just any website, it's your masterpiece. So it needs to be easy peasy for your visitors. That means it should be like a good friend, welcoming and easy to understand. Plus, it should look so good that people can't help but stay for a while admiring your AI puzzles. And one more thing, it should be like a superhero with a mobile cape. That means it should work perfectly on phones too, because everyone's on the go these days. E-commerce platform. Now, let's talk about your online store's cash register. We're going to set up something really cool called an e-commerce platform. Imagine it as your digital store counter. This thing handles all your money stuff, like when people pay you or you pay others. You've got some fantastic choices here. Think of them as superpowered helpers. You've got PayPal, Stripe, and some big players like Shopify and WooCommerce. These are like your trusty cashiers. PayPal, it's like that friend who always has the right change. Stripe is like the speedy cashier who gets the job done fast. And Shopify and WooCommerce? Well, they're like the department store of e-commerce platforms, offering you tons of options to make your store unique. So whether you're looking for quick and easy, super secure, and a whole toolkit of features, there's an e-commerce platform out there that's just right for you. It's like picking your favorite flavor of ice cream. They do all the job, but some just have that extra sprinkle of awesomeness. Content and descriptions. When we talk about content and descriptions, we're basically saying, make your puzzles look and sound awesome. Imagine this, you are telling a cool story about each AI puzzle. You need to spill all the beans, like the rules, what's the point of the puzzle, and why it's so cool to solve. But wait, there is more. Don't just talk about it, show it off like a superstar. Use fantastic pictures and videos that make people go, wow, when they see your puzzles. It's like showing a magic trick, It's not just hearing about it, it's seeing it in action. That's how you grab people's attention and make them want to dive right into your puzzles. Remember, when you're working on your puzzles, be a storyteller. Explain the rules and why they matter, make the puzzles look stunning, and let videos and pictures do the talking. This way, people won't just like your puzzles, they'll love them. Pricing. Setting the right price is a bit like finding the perfect recipe. Think about how tricky your puzzles are, how much time you put into making them, and what others in the puzzle world are charging. It's like baking a cake. You want the ingredients to balance just right. But here's a fun twist. You can tempt people in with a free taste. Imagine giving them a little piece of the puzzle pie for free. They get a taste, like when you sample cookies at the store. If they love it, they might come back for the whole pie. So you could offer some puzzles for free to pull folks in and then serve up some special, extra tricky ones for a price. Just like a chef trying new ingredients, you can experiment with your pricing. Maybe some people are willing to pay more for the toughest puzzles, while others just want a simple snack. It's like a restaurant with different menu options. There's something for everyone. Marketing and promotion. It's important that you spread the word about your AI puzzles in a super cool way. The world of digital marketing for AI puzzles works like magic. It's like having a virtual wand to show your puzzles to precisely the right people. Imagine using the power of social media, emails, excellent content, and catchy ads to make everyone go, wow. And here's a secret strategy. Team up with AI buddies. Hang out in AI hangouts like communities, forums, and blogs. It's like joining a puzzle-solving party with like-minded friends. They'll cheer for your puzzles and share the excitement. But wait, there's more. Want to play a game of teamwork? Offer affiliate programs. When others show off your puzzles and bring in fellow puzzle lovers, they get a high-five commission. Everyone wins and your puzzles become the talk of the town. SEO optimization. Imagine you have a cool website all about AI puzzles, but it's like a hidden treasure chest in the deep sea. Nobody can find it. That's where SEO comes to save the day. SEO is like a treasure map. It helps you make your website pop up on Google and other search engines. So when people search for awesome AI puzzles, they find your site first. How does it work? Well, you need to use the right words. We call them keywords that match what people type into Google. If they search for challenging AI puzzles and your site has those words sprinkled around, bingo! But don't go overboard and stuff your site with keywords. Just like trying to fit a whole cake into your mouth at once, it won't taste good. Just use keywords naturally, like ingredients in a recipe. Customer support. You are the hero of your business. When customers have questions or face problems, you swoop in with speedy help. Got a customer inquiry? Don't let it sit around. Tackle it head-on and do it quickly. Worried customers? Make their worries disappear by fixing their concerns. When they need a hand, lend it. But here's a cool twist. Imagine having a FAQ section. It's like a treasure chest of answers. Customers have common questions, right? Well, the FAQ is there to zap those questions with instant answers like magic. Your customers will love it because they can find answers themselves without waiting for your heroic rescue. So remember, in the world of customer support, being super responsive and having an FAQ up your sleeve is like wearing your cape. It makes you an unbeatable hero in the eyes of your customers. Legal considerations. You're crafting fantastic AI puzzles to share with the world, but here's the twist. You need to follow some rules to keep everything cool. Imagine you're making a cool video game. You can't just copy someone else's game and call it yours, right? The same goes for AI puzzles. You can't grab someone's brainy stuff and say, ta-da, it's mine. That's where copyrights and intellectual property rights come in. Here's the exciting part. You've got to make sure you have the green light to use stuff that belongs to others. Think of it like borrowing a toy from a friend. You ask first. So before you start selling those brain teasers, make sure you've got the permission slips sorted out. Like making sure you're allowed to use all the cool ingredients of your secret recipe. By doing this, you're not only staying out of trouble, but you're also being a good player in the puzzle-making game. It's all about respect and playing fair in the world of AI puzzles. Scaling. Scaling means growing bigger and better. So as your puzzle business grows, don't just stand still. Think about making your puzzles even cooler. You can create super tricky puzzles that make brains work extra hard. That'll keep your customers excited. And here's the fun part. Maybe you could start teaching people about AI. Yeah, you can become a real AI expert and share your knowledge. Imagine being the go-to place for AI education. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can add some AI-related entertainment. Who knows, maybe you'll design AI games or interactive experiences that people can enjoy. Remember that success may not come overnight. Building a reputation and a customer base takes time and effort. Continuously innovate, provide value, and adapt to market trends to increase your chances of making money online by selling AI puzzles.